Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having a terrific weekend this far. So I am filming on a Friday evening to do my Walmart Ibotta haul. I wasn't too into the midweek bonuses, the midweek offers we had, and I didn't get a midweek bonus on my main Ibotta account, my personal one, so I didn't come out. But I did get some good bonuses on both of my accounts for Ibotta. My husband's got $1 back for 5 offers, and mine got $5 back for 10 offers. I'm doing the big extreme. I'm gonna knock out both bonuses today because it's just too easy. And we have a lot of free after offers. At least on my husband's, I have way more than on my personal, so it's easy. I figured why not? Hopefully it doesn't get too confusing. There will be a lot of repetitiveness because a lot of the deals I'm grabbing on my personal account, I might as well go ahead and get on his account just to double the savings, and it's things that I really want. If you are new to any of the rebate apps I mentioned today, they are linked in my description box. If you sign up for my referral codes, you get a little welcome bonus kickback, and I also get a little bit of something. And it means a lot when you use my referral codes. I truly do appreciate it. We are using Ibotta, Brandclub Fetch Rewards. I did do one coupons app reimbursement. Oh, and Swagbucks, and that's it. Shopkicks was a little too dry for me. I wasn't feeling it, so that is that. We are shopping, like I said, Friday evening. I waited till my husband got off work, and I said, you know, how about you watch the baby? I'm gonna go do my shopping. It's getting to the point where it's a little challenging to keep up with him in the store and do my couponing and filming, so it's okay. It's fine. It's a little treat to myself, I think. At the end of the day, after dealing with his chaoticness, coming out and just unwinding to do my little couponing is just a little treat to myself. So, yeah. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you are here to shop at Walmart with me today. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Let's get in a store and talk about some of the deals. The first place I started is in my clearance section where I found this Bevel hair care is a shampoo and conditioner. So it is marked down to $3 and we have a Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back. So that would make it just 50 cents. I'm definitely grabbing that today. I also found this Ivory Baby Body Wash. So it is marked at $2.15. No Ibotta rebates, but we can submit to the coupons app for a coupon reimbursement of $1, making it just $1.15. I think that's a really good price for this huge thing of body wash, especially it being Ivory Baby. So I'm going to grab some 5-star products. I need to grab 2 for the Ibotta rebate. So I'm going to grab one of these notebooks here at $2.22 and then one of these folders at $1.48, which tells me $3.70 I'll pay at the register. Like I mentioned, I have to buy 2 in order to get $1 back on Ibotta, and then I have a survey I can fill out on Brandclub for $2 back when I purchase one, which will qualify since that notebook alone is $2.22. So that would make the final cost for both of these 5-star products just 70 cents, which I think is super good, and I always need notebooks to write down my coupon breakdowns. So I'm shocked my store even has any of the Dawn foaming dish soap. I've never tried it, so I'm really excited to. It's $2.83. We have this $1 coupon from the July P&G we can use. It does expire on July 16th, unfortunately, but that would leave us to pay $1.83 at the register. Earning $1 back from Ibotta makes it 83 cents. I'm going to go ahead and grab this for both of my accounts so I can go ahead and get this for both of my Weekend Warrior bonuses. I'm going to grab some Febreze Touch Unstoppable Spray. It's $6.94 at my store. We have a $3 coupon from the July P&G that also expires July 16th, unfortunately. But using that, we'll pay $3.94 at the register, earning $3 back from Ibotta. Makes it 94 cents. And this is also something I'm going to double up on and grab for my second Ibotta account as well. So we're going to grab 2 of these Snuggle Super Fresh fabric softeners at $4.77 each. 2 of them will total us $9.54. I get my coupon inserts pretty early, so these are the 7/17 coupons to July 17th inserts. This is from the Save insert for July 17th, and these are $1.50 off coupons for the Snuggle. So I'm going to go ahead and use 2 of those today to pay $6.54 at the register, but earning $4 back when I purchase 2 from Swagbucks makes the final cost $2.54 for both, or $1.27 each. I think that's a pretty good price. I am shocked my store has the skin tea. This is like some sparkling tea. This is not It's not my cup of tea, I'll say that. But I'm going to go ahead and grab it because it's free after offer. So it was tagged at $2.78 my store, but it rang up at $2.48, which is perfect because we'll get $2.48 back from Ibotta, making it completely free. I'm going to go ahead and grab this for both of my Ibotta accounts. I saw the sisters over at Sister Saving You Cents share this deal a while back. I'm just now getting my hands on it. It's on the Blue Diamond Almond Extremes. You want to make sure it's the extreme variety specifically. They're $3.57. Grabbing 2 of them will total us $7.14. I have 2 of these $1.50 off coupons. They're from the June 26th Smart Source. That would lead me to pay $4.14 at the register today, but earning $1.50 back for each on Ibotta. And then I'll submit to Activate Rewards. They have a virtual Visa card promotion going on. When you purchase 2 of the extreme Blue Diamond Almond varieties, you'll get $5 back in a virtual Visa. So that makes both cans of almonds completely free and a $3.86 moneymaker. And I'm super curious to hear my husband's input on what he thinks about them. I'm not much of a spicy, hot person. I don't like anything like that. I don't even like almonds, but he said he's willing to try them, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to grab me some Love's diapers today. I figure I might as well go ahead and stock up for the new baby. So they're $6.47. I'll pay out of pocket. I'll submit to Ibotta for $2 back, plus a 10-cent any diaper rebate. And then I'll submit to Brandclub. I'll do a survey for $2.50 back for purchasing this, making the final cost just $1.87 for this pack of diapers, which I think is obviously super, super good and such a stock-up price. I'm going to grab one of these Hellmann's Drizzles. They are $3.47. No coupons for this, so I'll pay that at the register. I'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back, plus a 10-cent any offer for any sauce, I should say. And then on Fetch Rewards, since this is my second time buying a Hellmann's food product, I'll get $2.50, making this a 13-cent moneymaker. Wraps up my personal Ibotta account. However, my husband still needs 2 more to reach his 5 offers for $1. So he still has the free after offer on the Starbucks Buy Energy, which is $2.38 that I'll pay at the register, but earn $2.38 back from Ibotta. Makes it completely free. My last offer to complete my husband's weekend warrior is 3 of these pedigree pouches. They're 78 cents each. That totals me $2.34. I'll pay at the register, earning $1.50 back for buying 3 on Ibotta. Makes it 84 cents for all 3 of them. It was a free and moneymaker deal earlier in the week when we had the coupons app reimbursement for $1.50 back. However, they did take that away. It did expire, but it's still a pretty good price for all 3 of these. All right, so that knocks out 2 weekend bonuses with Ibotta. And to reiterate and make it less confusing, on my husband's Ibotta, I only need 5 offers. So I'm grabbing on his Ibotta the Dawn, Pedigree, Febreze, the Buy Energy, the Skin Tea, and then I'll throw in the Ivory Body Wash. That was a clearance find on that receipt. Submit that over to his Ibotta, and then everything else will be on my Ibotta or, with Swagbucks, with a Snuggle, that sort of thing. I know it gets confusing trying to knock out 2 bonuses in one video, but I did get very repetitive here, as you guys can tell. So we're going to go ahead, check out with this, and then we'll meet back in the car to discuss the transaction, how it went in store, and final cost. All right, we are out from Walmart. Everything went super good at self-checkout. No coupon issues. I don't know if I mentioned earlier in the video, but I will say the coupons I'm using do expire on today when I'm uploading it, July 16th. So keep that in mind with those P&G coupons. I believe the Blue Diamond ones don't expire until closer to the end of the month, but and obviously the Snuggle coupons, they're not supposed to come out till Sunday. I get my inserts early. I use DMV Fairy on Instagram. She is superb, fantastic, does 2-day FedEx shipping. Love her. So that's how I got my inserts early to do that Snuggle deal. But yeah, those P&G coupons do expire today when I'm uploading this, unfortunately. But even without the coupon, I think $1.83 for Dawn isn't too bad. And especially if you sync your receipt to Brandclub, I do believe they are partner with Brandclub. So keep that in mind. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the receipts. So everything rang up perfectly fine. I'll put a picture. The first receipt will do my husband's account. So that was all of his offers, which was Pedigree, the drinks, the free after offer drinks, Febreze, Dawn, and then I added the Ivory Baby Body Wash on there. Now it did ring up at $2.75, and the the tag clearly said $2.15, so she did come price modify that for me. So other than that, nothing else happened. Coupons were not the issue. It was just somewhat an issue with pricing on the Ivory. Now on my second receipt, everything rang up fine. I do see, well, the almonds, okay, the almonds rang up right. I'm making sure because, you know, now they're upping the price on some things and the tags are not always matching up to the price on the receipt. But the second receipt, it looks like everything rang up as expected. And those drinks, the skin tea, it was tagged at $2.78 but rang up at $2.48. I'm glad because it was a free after offer for $2.48, and if it rang up at $2.78, it would be like 30 something cents maybe. And I would still grab it, but it wouldn't have been like a great deal for me. So seeing they rang up at the free after offer price makes me happy. Other than that, yeah, I think everything rang up as predicted. Yep. So the second receipt, the subtotal was $36.07 after coupons. So as far as totals, so the retail with all of this before coupons on both receipts was $65.19. $65 for these little bit of groceries is kind of insane. We did pay $51.19 out of pocket after coupons, both receipts. So in rewards back, I am submitting to the coupons app for a $1 reimbursement on the Ivory. That was an instant award. Usually the coupons app takes like a day to process. They hit me up with that dollar real quick, so pretty happy about that. Now on my personal Ibotta, I got back a total of $21.18, 5 of that being for my Weekend Warrior and the rest being on rebates. I did have to verify that I bought the Dawn and the 5-star products. Even though I scanned them in store, they did qualify. I still had to verify it, but they did give me the credit for that, thank goodness. So $21.18 from my personal Ibotta. For my husband's Ibotta, I will scan his receipt when I get home when I have Wi-Fi on my second phone. But it should be $11.61 because he had a 25-cent any receipt offer, all the offers for the rebates, and then the $1 weekend bonus. Now from Brandclub, I'm getting back $4.50 when I filled out the survey for the Loves. And what was it? The Loves and, sorry guys, I have to look. And 5-star, I believe that's it. But when I sync my receipt, I should get some additional survey offers for maybe the Dawn, Febreze, we'll see, to use next time. So keep that in mind. Always sync those receipts. I like syncing my receipts, especially when I go grocery shopping, because it was weeks back I bought a little 5-star product for myself, and that's how I have that 5-star survey offer, because I bought the product, do my regular grocery shopping, so now I can combine it into my rebate shopping, which makes it 10 times better. So $4.50 expected back from there. Now on Swagbucks, they gave me $4.50. They gave me 50 cents for Lipton tea and $4 for Snuggle. I'm guessing they picked up on that skin tea, the free little tea that I picked up. I'm guessing they picked up on that and awarded me Lipton, 50 cents for that. So I can't undo it. I tried to go in there and undo it and be like, no, I did not buy this, but it's 50 cents, so I'm really not worried about it. I guess it's just something happened where they thought about Lipton, but I did not. But I got back $4.50, so I'm not too mad about that, obviously. And then I'll submit to the Activate Rewards Blue Diamond rebate for $5 back on those Blue Diamond Extremes. I will link that Activate Rewards promotion down in the description box. Shout out to Sister Saving You Cents for that awesome deal. They posted it a while back, but I'm just now doing it, so that's a pretty good deal, honestly. And then $2.53 from Fetch Rewards for the Hellmann's mayonnaise, the Hellmann's Drizzle. We totaled at $65. We paid $51, got all of those rebates back, makes the final cost for all 20 items I grabbed today just 87 cents. 87 cents is really, really good. Not a freebie. We were darn close though. We gave it the old college try on that one, but I'm not mad. That is a really good price. Now, if I probably if I didn't grab the Ivory body wash, we would have been at a freebie. I don't aim for freebies at Walmart. I aim for stuff that we'll use, things I know my family will use, friends, things maybe I can turn around and profit off of. That's my thing. I'm not really aiming for big old freebies and money makers, but hey, I'm pretty happy with this haul. So let me know if you guys are doing any of the same deals. I don't believe any of the rebates I did today expire anytime soon. Not within the next 24 to 48 hours, I do believe. But like I said, those P&G coupons, they do expire July 16th, unfortunately. So that is that for me. Thank you guys so much for coming along and shopping with me. Like I said, all those rebate apps are linked down in the description box if you are new to any of them. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.